Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at our size sorting robotic arm video. Here we can see the dispenser, the robotic arm, the DC motor housing, the LDR tunnel that detects the object size, and the dispenser with the objects placed on the dispenser. Here we start the process and we see that the dispenser is dispensing the small object onto the belt. The object then passes the LDR detection tunnel, making its way down to the robotic arm. Now that the object reaches the end of the belt, the robotic arm receives the signal from the LDR and puts it in the corresponding bin. We can see here it is dropping it in the corresponding bin. And then we see the arm going back into its initial position for the next object. Here's an in-depth look of the dispenser and how the object is dispensed. Next we see the large or the green object being dispensed onto the conveyor belt. The object passes the LDR detection tunnel and makes its way down to the robotic arm. Now that the object reached the end of the belt, the robotic arm lifts the object and puts it into the corresponding bin, as we can see here. The item is then dropped in the corresponding bin, as we can see here. And now the arm is resetting for the next object on the conveyor belt. We see here that the object that's dispensed is the red object or the medium object, passing the LDR detection tunnel here. And it's making its way down to the end of the belt to where the robotic arm is stationed. The belt then stops, the robotic arm begins to lift the object and put into the corresponding bin. We see here that the item makes its way to the corresponding bin.